Okay. Ready?
Make a wish, RJ.
Let's sing happy birthday. Go ahead. You
Okay.
think?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, are you ready, RJ?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you ready to open? Okay, unboxing.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, RJ.
How old are you now?
7.
Says
Seven.
it right there. 7.
There is
And it
7.
adds up. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7.
Yeah.
Race car driver.
Here is
Got some cornbread. Huh? This
that's
is all we
the
had.
simple birthday cake, RJ.
Or
The
likes another cookie.
cornbread.
Do not yuck over there.
One slice.
Do not yuck over here.
Yeah, what else that in there?
Ready to light?
What's in there, RJ?
Birthday present. Go.
Go.
Okay.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're getting big.
Okay. Ready?
Make a wish, RJ.
Let's sing happy birthday. Go ahead. You
Okay.
think?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, RJ. Make a wish, RJ.
Blow 'em out. Trick candle. Hey, wish come true.
Yay.
Want a cookie?
Okay, eat cookie, RJ.
I don't want the cookie now.
Later.
I'm the gator after this.
Okay. Let's just get it over with.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
Go ahead. Follow them in there.
Dun, 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 dun. The first one. Red present.
What?
The first one's red present.
Oh, that's your favorite color?
But my favorite color is mostly green. I still like red though. You ready?
Turn on light first.
I like that.
Super dark.
That's it.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Okay, are you ready, RJ?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in the Amazon box.
Really? What's your favorite color, RJ?
Blue and red.
Really? Blue and red. There is.
I don't know why you put it
Okay,
this
hand it
way.
over here.
Yay, Amazon. Open that.
Mommy, I look first.
Yeah.
You already know.
What's in there?
Okay, we'll look.
What's in there, RJ? What's in there?
Oh, I
Oh.
already know it's a PlayStation headphone.
Oh, you got that.
You know, I
Yay.
see.
Yikes!
Really, you see it? Wow! Look at that!
PlayStation wireless.
Wow, wireless. Look at RJ.
No more wire.
You have a wireless RJ headphone.
And how does it know how it connects to there?
To
So Bluetooth.
puts out a signal.
Yay!
PlayStation.
Next
is
one.
69
What's that?
I think, that what I think he gave me a whole PlayStation thing.
PlayStation.
Giant.
We couldn't get to the store.
Yep,
And we couldn't get Amazon to deliver on time.
yep,
So what we got is what we got.
yeah.
Yeah. Ah!
Careful.
Best part, right?
Made in
Paper.
China.
Made in China. Oh. Careful.
Okay, hold that side. I'll rip the whole side off. Present's giant.
There it is. Look at that, RJ.
Yeah, I won't open it. I'll just cut it.
You want to open, Daddy? I'll just cut, Daddy.
Should have my knife.
Yeah. Open that. Open it.
I dare use my scissors.
Okay, just whip there, Jay. Just go there. There is. What's in there? What's in there, RJ? What?
What is this?
What's that, RJ?
Take it out.
Is this foosball?
This one. What? What's RJ?
Is this a Hot Wheel case?
Yep.
Oh no!
Put it down.
My goodness. Hot Wheel case.
I can store this in my room.
Yep. Put that in your favorite.
There is. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, RJ, so big.
Well, stand it up.
Stand up, RJ.
Lean it against the
Yeah, there.
TV cabinet.
There you go.
Now you can put 60 Hot Wheel cars in there, your favorite one.
Wow, look at that, RJ. Yeah, there he is. Wow, nice, RJ.
Lean it against there.
Okay, next. Yeah, sideways. Like that.
Lean it against it.
There you go.
Put
Okay,
that
next.
there, in front of it. There you go.
And this is the most giant.
What's in that, RJ?
Why is it?
What's that?
Why is there another scooter?
You like it? It's bigger scooter. Look at that.
There it is.
You
Why
like?
did I use this scooter?
Is this the one you're going to use? The other
Yeah.
one's too small.
Yeah, that is bigger,
This
RJ.
one here will last you forever.
Yeah,
Even I could get on that.
yeah. Even mommy can ride that, RJ. It is bigger. Look at that, so big. Yay, scooter.
The
Yay.
little one we can put in the basement. You can practice.
Yep. Whoa.
Eight,
See,
Put it up.
so big.
eight,
Wow.
eight, eight.
What eat?
Not sponsored from Walmart.
Yep, not sponsor for Walmart.
Razor.
Razor. Scooter.
Okay,
Not
scooter.
sponsored by Walmart. Not sponsored.
Okay, you ready to open? Okay, unboxing.
Wait, what? Okay, Dad.
Unboxing now. Is there?
Oh,
There you go. What's that, RJ? Oh, the handle that RJ.
the razor handle. Why is this not connected?
There's the instructions right here.
There is instruction. Ta-da! Look at
What
that.
happened here?
As simple as
Came
that,
out
RJ.
like this.
Yeah, just put that there. There you go. Yeah, I can ride scooter now. Look at that red color.
Look at this.
You like the color, RJ? Have nothing na inside.
Nope, it's empty.
Empty na inside. Okay, only that,
What is
RJ.
this? What?
Oh,
Handle.
no. Is it broke?
Just put that there.
Let me see.
See? Just do that.
No. It doesn't come through that. It has to go in this hole.
You gotta push the button.
See?
This is like adjustable.
Yeah.
Put it on the low, leave it on the lowest for now. I'm gonna test it. It's got
Ta-da!
a kickstand too, see?
Whoa, a kickstand. Let's see the kickstand.
Here, give me the,
There is the kickstand. Wow, look at that. cool, RJ. Have
Okay, get the
kickstand.
handle.
It just goes in like
Oh, be
that.
careful, it's so heavy.
Stop.
Okay, put
Kickstand.
kickstand. Yep, like that. Ah,
Different.
nice. Wow, so nice, RJ, huh? Okay, RJ.
Okay, where's that tool? The Allen wrench.
Here is RJ. Happy birthday, RJ. Happy birthday, RJ. Yeah, RJ 7 years old.
Oh, this brake is hard.
Really?
It's metal.
Whoa.
It's metal.
Careful, it's so heavy.
Okay.
RJ. What you do, RJ? You want to ride now?
Here's the handle. And you loosen these little Allen wrench screws.
Yep. And here is the instructions, guys. Here is.
Okay, so now
There is the loss.
it's loose. Let's
Oh.
see how it should just slide in. I don't know.
RJ, bring that here now. Na kasi assemble.
I'm coming. Yeehaw.
What you doing?
Careful, the
No. No, where's RJ? No.
This is how I steer.
He just sit. He
Okay, let's
just
see if
sit
this goes in.
down. There is.
Nope.
Hey, put on now.
I'm gonna try to put it together while he's standing on it. Just tightening these. But make sure it's on tight so it doesn't go out of control. And let's see the handles.
So high, RJ.
Ready?
But that look like so high for you,
Let's
RJ.
go.
This is not good.
See, RJ.
So here's the box. It's a carbon Lux kick scooter from Razor.
Yep.
It's got extra large urethane wheels. It's got adjustable height handlebar. Carbon fiber textured anti-slip plastic deck. That's pretty much it.
In the back is
Same thing. Patent rear fender brake. Heavy duty steel frame. Carbon fiber textured anti-slip deck. It's got a kickstand. It's for
8+.
ages 8+. Weight 220 pounds. That means I can fit on it. I'm less than 220. And for age 8+, and RJ is 7, so he'll grow into it. He's got a little scooter that he can use to practice. This is a little heavy duty.
yep. I can ride.
I kind of
You can ride that, RJ.
That'll help you steering a bike. Too.
Yeah.
Like I bounced it for a second.
Really?
Can I get through?
Okay. Here's RJ.
You did it.
You won it.
But you can't make sharp turns like
Yeah.
the other one because it has 2 wheels.
Okay, try RJ. Give it this.
If you're gonna lose your balance, hop off.
Yeah.
Get off.
Okay.
It falls.
Yeah.
No, just hold on to the steering. Just put your feet up.
There is.
Both of you. Go ahead. Put both feet on.
Okay. Go.
Okay, you're gonna fall? Jump off.
Yeah.
Or you can jump off a leg on each side. You do that. Put your legs up. Put your legs up. Jump off.
Jump up, RJ.
Like this.
Jump. Yeah, like that. But you
Ready?
Get out of
walking.
the way.
There's RJ.
Then you gotta brake when you get
Yeah,
good
like
at it.
that,
You
RJ.
brake while you're riding.
Yeah. Okay, we testing that in the driveway later, RJ.
Yep, later we try.
Yep. Okay.
Okay,
That's
go.
it for now.
Yes, it is.
This is the
Yes, we're going to.
kickstand. That is nice.
Anti-slip deck.
Yep.
Kickstands up. Hold you.
Yeah. Kick, RJ.